Greetings to all the plant mamas and plant papas out there. Happy spring and welcome to Wicked Natty Roots. My name is Mickey and this channel is all about the plant journey, showing you guys the beauty that nature has to offer, encouraging you guys to bring them roots home, bring them plants home, and create your own jungle. So if that's something that you're into or looking to get into, you've come to the right channel. So without further ado, today's episode, we're in Dorchester, Massachusetts at the Home Depot. So let's go check out what they got. Let's go. Plant shopping time.
Alright guys, thought I'd show you this beautiful plant, the Moon Valley Friendship plant. Look at that, $7.98. And look at the details on that bad boy. Looking really nice there. Next to that, another striking foliage on that. I've always liked this plant. It's always caught my attention. The Fittonia argenura, the red, and the nerve plant. Look at that, beautiful of a plant. Definitely adds some nice color to the mix. You got your Royal Hustler ivy, not your typical ivy, very unique shaped leaves, and that one is sure to grow with you. Give it some light, plenty of water. And next to this guy we have this purple passion, looking really cool. Excuse me while I kiss the sky. Looking like Jimi Hendrix. Purple haze. $7.98 for that purple passion. Alright guys, check this guy out here. Super cool Tradescanthii. The Zebrina, also known as the hinge plant, from Argentina and Brazil. Looking so pretty, so full, really cool. Alright, over here we have this gold dust plant. Look at the colors just pop on that, looking like a galaxy in the sky, all the constellations. I super enjoy this plant every time I see it. From South India. Really gives a nice contrast to the green. Really pops out. Got this cute, did I say cute? I think I did. How can you not think these plants are cute? But this awesome peperomia, green peperomia, little baby plant. $5.48 for that one. And we have the False Galaxy Aurelia plant. Got a couple of these. I love the mature version of these. These eventually grow to be super tall. I've seen them up to 3 feet tall, guys. And it likes to dry out before watering again, so just be mindful of that. And yeah, this guy's really cool. Really gives a nice jungle vibe, right? With this longer leaves. Oh man, definitely. Anybody know anything about these plants other than they're cool? I love these. It comes in yellow, variegation. Very cool. What? Purple waffle. I don't know if you're a purple waffle guy. You could be whatever you want to be, but oh, it's convinced. According to this is a purple waffle. It could be a different species of a purple waffle, but all right, we'll leave it at that. Thought that was pretty cool. $5.48 for that one. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, down here you got your lemon button fern. Some begonias. Alright. Very cool. Little bird's nest fern. Looking really nice. Next to that, these bird houses. Really cool. Alright, you got the heartleaf philodendron. Little baby plant. Be sure to grow for you. A nice bright spot. Go grow, grow, grow. Super cool. Wouldn't you want to live in there if you were a bird? I would. Very cool. Alright, check this Calathea network plant right here. A super easy going Calathea. Got a lot of Calatheas out there that will be fussy if you don't give them enough humidity. But this Calathea here will do fine in normal house humidity. And it is the Mosaica, or also known as a network plant. And this one here, super cool, super full, super lush. Just $19.98. It's a really, really, really cool plant. Check out those leaves, all the details in that. Wow. Alright, right behind here, I saw this little guy hiding over here. Hey, look at that. Little philodendron brandy. Definitely a plant that you have to work with, give enough light. Definitely not direct sunlight, but definitely likes a sky view. And look at that little baby go. Oh yeah, philodendron brandy ate him. Alright, check this out, guys. I've never seen this guy before. The Calathea Maui Queen. It looks really nice with the stroke of white and light green in the middle of the leaf. Super kind of velvety. Anybody know anything about this particular one? Seems to be doing really well. And very nice. This is the Calathea Maui Queen. Okay, next to that, classic ponytail pine. Any tips on these guys? I'm really trying to master this one, and any tips would help. Full sun. I know it likes to dry out before waterings, but look at me just checking out the soil. Just looking out for you, buddy. Alright. Alright. Got the bromeliad there. And back to the philodendron green princess. You got these beautiful displays. This Calathea orbifolia, leaf joy H2O, and Therium hybrid. Well, what do you know? Them roots looking wicked. Pretty cool. I think those are $19.99 as well. This is the Burley Marxie Amargus. Another Calathea. Again, those roots are looking gnarly. Alright. Next to that, we have a nice Alocasia poly. Just look at that thing show off. Oh yeah, just a single leaf on that, just making its way, powering through. New growth, look at that. Looking very cool. Very cool. Next to that, we have a philodendron green princess. Yes, philodendron green princess. Trying to push out that new leaf right there. Look at those beautiful, beautiful leaves on that. And that is, if I can find the price, there is no price on it, but really nice. It is priceless. Alocasia black velvet. Pretty rare to see this in these big box stores, but beginning to see a lot more rare plants, and they're all rare if you ask me, but you know, they're all one of a kind. Check out this colorful Calathea Euphorbias. Really nice. Okay, $29.99 for that. Pretty cool. Over here we have this very cool looking philodendron. Alright, that thing has been through the ringer, but still holding strong. Kind of looks like a pink princess without, or a burgundy princess. Don't see any pink on that, but still gotta appreciate it. And over here we have your classic Scindapsus Moonlight. These are slow growers, still beautiful. Over here we have the Peperomia Shumi Red or Luna Red. And these are gnarly looking too. $19.98 for that. Next to that, got a classic Baltic Blue. Those claw of leaves they have there. And that is $19.99 as well. The classic Monstera. Look at those eyes just staring at you. I'll absolutely love the leaf shape on this. The fenestrations just look so cool. Very cool. Some more ZZ plants over here. Orchids in the background. Now we got our starter plants. Show you guys are familiar with this section, and you got the rabbit's foot fern, and that's what makes a rabbit's foot. Those fuzzy little stems coming out there. That is what makes it a rabbit's foot. Pretty cool. That is $7.98. Okay, got some lemon button ferns. Pretty cool. Oh, this one's looking sad. Little waffle plant. Looks like if you let it dry out, it becomes like that. So don't forget to water any fern, because they will let you know. Over here we have a classic Syngonium berry illusion arrowhead plant, part of the Syngonium genus. Look at that. Love Syngoniums overall. There are definitely many species of Syngoniums out there, and I just love their growth pattern, their color coordination, their variegation, their everything about Syngonium I absolutely love. I've had a few didn't make it, but in this plant hobby, you know, you get a plant and research and knowing is not enough. You got to apply. You got to apply what you learned about the plants and intend to take care of it as best as possible. And let me tell you, you're definitely going to learn along the way about plant care and doing your best here. This is an Aglaonema. I love the pink stems. I think it's a Siam Aglaonema, red siam. And aglaonemas are so intriguing due to their striking coloration you see on their leaves. They really, oops, butterfingers here, but be all right. The unique pattern leaf, you know, you got green dominant plants for the most part, but you know, aglaonemas really give you a nice colorful addition to your collection, so be on the lookout for them. Aglaonemas over here in this hanging basket, looking pretty. The Dianthiflora alsobia, that looks cool. That is 1998. Okay. Some classic ferns right there, looking nice. I think that's a Boston fern right there. Super cool. All right. This one here, I've seen a few times here. This is the Peperomia beetle. Super cool. Ridges on the leaves. Just hanging out. And that is 1998. Alright. Moving along, this beautiful inch plant, which will grow and grow and grow for you. And it'll just trail all the way down. And next to that, we have the Ficus Pomelia bellis plant. Check this out, guys. Super cool. Look at that thing just hanging out. Super cool green leaves with the outer edges of the leaves forming white. Nice combination. Super duper cool if you ask me. Very nice plant right there. Excuse me, just feeling a little under the weather, but it's all good. All right. Have some Bella plants. All right, here some classics. Gotta love that. Give it definitely that jungle vibe with these in the mix. Really cool plant there. All right, we have the sago palm, super unique house plant. Guys, check for the toxicity level of these plants because some of them could be dangerous to your pets. So before you buy a plant, definitely find out whether it's pet friendly. Sago palm. It is $14.98, and I've seen these grow, guys. These things definitely grow and grow. Give them enough light, and they'll do just that. All right, let's turn around here. Some beautiful bromeliads in the mix. Definitely. All right, we have this beautiful teardrop peperomia. Teardrop peperomia. Looking nice, lush, and full. These are all by Exotic Angel Plants. Nice beetle plant there. Nice ivy. Gotta love the way the ivy hangs out. This is the Florida ivy. Oh yeah, taking its shape, taking its form. Looking super cool. What up, fiddle leaf fig? Oh yeah, you know we gotta show you some love. Fiddle leaf fig been around. Yeah, lacing many homes with its presence. Classic leaf. Some nice new growth. And I had a fiddle leaf fig once, didn't do too well. But anybody got any tips on these? Greatly appreciated. They do look super cool. Speaking of cool, look at this guy over here. Nice. Really nice money tree. The braided trunk. Super cool. It's a very healthy looking money tree there. It's just a tree that just keeps on giving. New growth. This is really a fighter of a tree. These money trees keep going, man. I'm telling you, never give up on a money tree. All right, give us some nice bright light. Add that to the collection. All right, very cool. Nice trunk. And look at this. Isn't this interesting? This is the bottom of a Majesty palm, and I'm wondering if it's flowers. It's got to be its flowers. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Wow. Never seen that before. Again, these are part of the Majesty palm tree. Pretty impressive. All right. Over here we have these guys, bonsais. Really cool little mini tree. Love that. $12.98. Very cool. Next to that, another bonsai. Looks like a ginseng tree. Gotta love the formation of these trunks. It just go crazy. They just each have their own individual shape and form, and so much going on in there. Look at that. Got its own character. Each and every single plant, you could say, has its own character. Gotta love that. This one is also $12.98. And next to these guys, pretty interesting looking fellas. Looks like the leaves of a money tree even. Right? Bam. See, I'm gonna show you how great I am. This little bonsai said it was gonna do. Wow. Super cool. $12.98. Wow. Have those lined up. That is super cool. Alright, gotta love this again. The Alocasia poly. Yeah, baby. Gotta love it. Look at that. Each one has its own unique story. Like, look at this guy. Said, nope, I'm not gonna be like you. I'm gonna grow that bum. Just kidding. It does look like a bum dum. Alright, here we go. The showstoppers. Monstera deliciosos. You already know. Guys, these are Monsteras, looking super nice. Look at all the new growth going on. These just came in. And look at the new growth everywhere. That will definitely push out the leaf. Plenty of bright indirect light. And look at that, guys. I can't get enough of Monsteras. What about you guys? These guys are 1998, and you can never have enough Monsteras. Oh, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Look at this beautiful new leaf there. Super cool. Getting more mature. The fenestrations are coming out on that one. And you have that beautiful sea of Monsteras. Alright, we're gonna keep going. Wow, look at that juniper bonsai. Looking so cool. $29.99. We have this other bonsai tree here. Very cool. Over here, we have the single vine. Very, very cool. More Raven ZZs. Got a lot of nice selection of the Ravens. The mini Monstera. Little baby ones. Those can really grow tall. They're definitely climbers. You just need a pole to climb on and you're gonna watch that grow. Alright, some beautiful aglaonema. See the color contrast versus the green. Throw some aglaonemas in there. You got a nice mix to add to your environment, to add to your jungle. Keep growing that collection. And this right here, guys, I haven't seen this. This looks like an epipremnum, if I'm not mistaken. Really, really cool. Good to see that. Amplicium, I believe it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's really cool to see these. Alright. Alright, another aglaonema. I think it's called a yellow ghost or something. But look at the nice streak of yellow inside the leaf. Very unique with the white stems. And gives it a nice pop in between all your other green plants. That one there will definitely stand out. Even looks like it can glow in the dark. This one too. This is the global green pothos. Looking super cool. Alright, this beautiful floral plant arrangement, if you would. You got your pearls and jade, some croton. Croton. Crouton. Yeah. Almost time to eat. Talking about croutons. So cool. Little raindrop moonlight umbrella tree. Some cool variegation. Alright. Alright, guys. More global green pothos. I hear the lemon meringue is out there, pothos, but I haven't come across it yet. Soon enough. You guys already know I love the Monstera Adonsinii. The fenestrations. Very, very nice. Alright guys, check this beautiful Euphorbia out. It's a Euphorbia Enopia for $24.98. Pretty cool. Got some pansies everywhere. Alright, check this Calatheas, also known as bear claw plant. First time I ever seen those guys in person. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, got these nice jade plants with some cactuses next to it. Over here we have an Echeveria Pearl von Nunberg Nice Echeveria. Very cool. Next to that, another Echeveria pink diamond. Very cool. Over here we got some string of bananas, it looks like. Looking real nice. Nice hanging baskets. Above that, some string of pearls. Really cool to see that around these neck of the woods. For $12.98. Not bad at all. And they've got a bunch of them. Okay. Oh, Burritoville at the burrito's tail. Looking nice. Those are also $12.98. Very good price for those. This looks like an interesting plant here. Look at that. It's called the Eve's Needle, the Opuntia subulata. Very interesting for sure. Very interesting. Gotta love it. Look at these guys here showing off. These are the Opuntia cylindrica cristata. Super cool. Wow. Interesting. Right behind that, we have a Opuntia mocantha monstros. Really unique growth pattern. Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey, really cool. Got some nice ones back there. Got a good crowd out here today. Really nice crowd. Hey, what's going on? Little classic cactuses there. Brush cactus. Oh, hey, what's going on, Kalonki? Gotta love these Kalonkies. Love it, love it, love it. Next to that, look at that guy there. Nice aloe swordfish plant. $24.98. That is looking straight badass right there. That is a badass plant. Yeah. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Okay. Over here, we have the trailing elephant bush plant. Looking really cool. And right here, sitting very impressively, the candelabra chocolate drop. Drop it like it's hot, candelabra. Pretty cool. Right behind that, we got a cow's horn euphorbia. Very cool. $24.98. Next to that, we have a corn cob cactus. Looking really nice as well. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, consider subscribing, liking, commenting down below. And just thought I'd show you guys what I got today. And I went with the pearls and jade pothos here with some gnarly, wicked, natty roots, aerial roots right there. Nice variegation. Looking forward to watching this guy grow. Also went with the cute bear claw succulent plant. Yes, you can call plants cute, doesn't matter, that's what they are. Beautiful, spectacular. So guys, until the next one, thank you guys for watching. All right.